Hi, Dr. Eric, the fitness physician here, and I want to talk about the purpose of Primex and something near and dear to my heart today, the health of America. Look, I've been talking about this for years, right? America has always been a beacon of strength, resilience, and innovation, but today we are facing a national health crisis that threatens the very foundation of our prosperity. Chronic diseases, obesity, mental health disorders are eroding our vitality, burdening our healthcare system, and shortening the lifespan of hardworking Americans. It's time for a movement. Once again, that Make America Healthy, MAHA movement. I've been talking about this for years, and we're finally seeing some of that now. For decades, our nation has struggled with rising rates of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and depression. Despite spending an astronomical $4.5 trillion annually on healthcare, America ranks among the least healthy of all developed nations. That's just not acceptable. The strength of our country begins with the health of our people. A healthy America is a strong America, and we must act now. The statistics paint a sobering picture. 60% of adults suffer from at least one chronic disease. Over 42% of Americans are obese, leading to preventable deaths from heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and more. Nearly 9 in 10 Americans are metabolically unhealthy, and 1 in 5 adults struggles with mental health disorders. I see this all the time when I worked in the ER. Childhood obesity reaching 40%, 30% of adolescents are pre-diabetic. These numbers aren't just statistics. They represent our families, our friends, our veterans, and our workforce. A nation built on the values of liberty, hard work, and self-reliance cannot afford to let preventable diseases weaken its people. This is why I do what I do, to prevent this. So this is a bold strategy to restore America's health crisis, not just about personal choices, about systemic failures. Our food policies, urban design, and healthcare approach have prioritized profit over well-being. We don't need radical government overreach. We need common sense solutions that empower Americans while ensuring long-term benefits for individuals, family, and the economy. Number 1, reforming the food system, right? Fueling our nation with strength. Healthy, the SNAP Act. Ensure government assistance supports nutritious choices by limiting ultra-processed foods and prioritizing whole foods. Regenerative agriculture. Support sustainable farming that produces nutrient-dense foods while reducing harmful pesticides. Overhaul school nutrition. Provide farm-fresh whole food meals to students, teaching healthy eating from an early age. Protect family farms, very important. Redirect subsidies away from corporate agriculture businesses towards farmers who grow fruits, vegetables, and sustainable products. Our farmers, not China and other countries, right? Revitalizing cities, encouraging muscle health and active living, walking communities initiative, invest in pedestrian-friendly infrastructure to encourage daily movement and reduce sedentary lifestyles, fitness incentives to provide tax breaks to businesses that implement employee wellness programs, gym memberships, outdoor activity, public parks and recreation expansion to ensure everyone can get out there and enjoy a safe space for exercise, holding corporations accountable, ending toxic influence on public health, ban harmful foods, all these chemicals and additives I've been railing on for years, get rid of all this crap, pesticides, glyphosate, and more. Tackle sugar addiction, implementing a sugar-sweetened beverage tax to fund community health programs and national education. Break the big pharma and food monopoly. Let's just stop the corporate influence over the FDA and USDA policies that allow ultra-processed foods and drugs into our public health. Get rid of this. This is huge. I've been talking about this forever. Strengthen cellular medicine, preventive, about health education, health literacy acts to mandate national nutrition, mental health, education in schools. Veteran health and wellness reform to expand access to holistic treatments, fitness programs, and nutritional counseling for our heroes and veterans. Workplace wellness revolution. Encourage companies to implement on-site fitness programs and mental health resources. Restoring mental health and ending over-medication, right? Prioritize holistic treatments. Promote therapy, mindfulness, and community support over pharmaceutical drugs. The gut-brain connection research, right? Fund studies on the role of nutrition and mental health to develop food-based initiatives. Regulate big pharma's influence. Ensure psychiatric medications are prescribed responsibly, not as a blanket solution for deeper issues. The future of America depends on us. America has never backed down from a challenge. We have led revolutions, pioneered industries, and defended freedom on every single front. Our next great battle is one that affects every citizen, our health. We don't need another government mandate. We need a cultural awakening, a movement where Americans take charge of their health, demand accountability from policymakers, and build communities that prioritize well-being. The time is now for our children, our economy, our military readiness, and our future. We must make America healthy again. Join the movement. Stand for health, stand for strength, stand for America. If you are a health, wellness, or fitness professional ready to make an even bigger difference in improving the health of our nation and want to join our ambassador team, or someone just looking for help, perhaps with losing weight, balancing hormones, just feeling healthier for themselves and their family, improving their sexual function, slowing down the aging process, and root cause cellular medicine, proven and physician-directed way. Schedule an initial consultation with us today. Just give us a call here and go to Dr. Eric Primex Health, or call me 740-777-9717 or shoot me an email at eric@drericfate.com at any time. You can also visit us at primexweightloss.com to check out all our great weight loss solutions and health optimizing solutions. Get back to you right away. Also, make sure you get all my freebies, right? Make sure you're set for wellness success. Go to check out all my social media on X, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, more tons of free videos and content out there. And again, like I said, it's Make America Healthy Again. I talk about all the things related to cellular health and cellular medicine and muscle medicine. This is what I want us all to focus on. Not just covering things up with Band-Aid solutions. Let's get to the root cause. Let's get outside. Get back, become one with nature, one with our communities. Get back to our health. Take America back. Take yourselves back. Let's all get healthy again and help each other out. Live great. Thanks.